Hi, how are you doing? As time goes by and as you become a better professional, you get better at things, at what you do, you start to realize that it's not really about the gear that you use and more about your technique as an artist or as a creative professional. But there are times when, your hardware breaks down on you and you're like, fuck, what do I do now? All right. So I've already dropped an F bomb. Sorry about that. So one of the things that is increasingly becoming more and more important for any kind of creative professional, no matter whether it's you're a YouTuber or you're a singer or whatever it is something. Well, it's a tripod. This really lovely Sony tripod has been so loyal. It's been with me for I think more than 7 8 years now, and recently my bandmates told me that, yeah, we need to record a video of one of our jamming performances. And so I was like, okay, fine, let's do this. I have a nice tripod and I tied it to the back of my motorcycle using a bungee cord. All right, you guys know what a bungee cord is, for those of you who are into motorcycles, right? So I tied it, and by the time I reached, this is what happened. So here, there is something which holds this thing in place, right? Can you see this hole? So apparently now it's not there. So that damn thing fell. All right. So everything is perfect, but this thing that holds it, right? It's not there. So without it, it's pretty useless because your camera or your phone can like fall. And I was like, oh crap! Now I'm not gonna obviously go to like Chandni Chowk and like look for like that little part. And what if I don't find it? And what if like the people that are like, is part ka to replacement milega hi nahi sir. So I was like, you know what? Fuck it. It's probably time for me to replace the thing. And I bought a new one. And this is the video of that. So this is what the tripod looks like. It's quite light. Okay, firstly, the first thing that I noticed is quite light compared to the Sony one. Sony is a little bit better built. I don't know. Maybe it's the parts and the metal parts or whatever it is. Um, I will find you pin. And height wise, I think they're both similar. This I've extended, so I'll show you how this one extends. It extends in a similar fashion. I must tell you that the quality of parts is very different. Like this, I can feel is very light compared to say this, which has got like a slightly more solid feel to it. You know, these parts. So of course the Sony one cost like some 6,000-7,000 bucks, and this is just for 1,100 bucks. So there's obviously going to be some kind of difference in quality in the parts. So but for what you're giving, what you get is, so this is how you just damn right, it goes up quite a bit. So once you've done that, you can lock this thing up and then it will be fixed over there. There's another lock over here. So if you've, you know, spread this to the right length, then you can, so it's a small twist, it's not too much. That's it. This is loose. Right? This is tight. That's it. There's nothing more to it. But it works. So it's not going to move now. It's in place. And this is almost the length of my head. So I'm 5'11". Quite nice, quite good. For 1,100 bucks, I think Digitek has done a pretty decent job. The parts, okay, I'll be very honest, they're very light. Halke pulke se parts hain iske. So tighten this up. Tighten this up. But the point is, see, shit can happen to a tripod at any given point of time. So what is the point of investing 5,000-6,000 bucks in it? You know, if you spend like 1,000 bucks on this, you will not feel bad about, you know, if something happens, something breaks, or you lose something. But like, so for example, this Sony one I got for about 7,000-8,000 bucks. Like, but this was like a really long time back, and it has actually been really, really reliable. Okay. I have a teleprompter here as well, which I use from time to time when I'm making, you know, videos in which I need to read stuff out from a screen. So this is quite a heavy thing. Okay. And the Sony one used to very easily and very confidently be able to hold it. Will this one be able to do it? I'm pretty sure it will. But because it's lighter, I would just be a little careful. But having said that, it's strong, it's reliable, it's a wonderful product. I think it's awesome value for your money. And definitely, if you're thinking of getting yourself a tripod for your studio or for your travel or for your photography or for your videography, I don't even think you should give this a second thought. Like, just go for it. That's what I would say. This is the clip that I need to source for my Sony now. So it just goes like that. Yep. Base plate. Job done. 1,000 bucks. Digitek has done a brilliant job. By the way, I've also ordered some batteries for my lighting system from Digitek. Good stuff. Very impressive.